Making deep dish pizza Chicago style. So, and we doing it from scratch. We not pre-made nothing. We doing everything from scratch. So what we gonna start with is the dough measurements on there. So you're gonna start with 1 cup of warm water. Check. Sorry for letting the water run. The most important ingredient that you need with this is yeast, because the yeast has to activate and make the dough rise. That's what makes the dough rise. And it's gonna be kind of cool how the dough rise. So this right here is just 1 tablespoon of yeast, and that's what you need. You need 1 tablespoon of yeast. You're gonna get that, and we go drop it in the water. So I preheated 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can use margarine or whatever you want to use, you know, fake butter. This is actually soy, so it's not real butter. So the next thing we need 2 cups of flour. So I got my handy dandy, you know, flour bag. Just put 2 cups. Measure out 2 cups. It's pretty easy to do. It's almost 1 cup. That's one. Oh, I don't know why I'm trying to do 1 cup at a time. I could just measure 2. That's 2 cups. You want to just dump that in there. Get it all in. Everybody in. Next, what we need is 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now all this is, you know, it's cooking, so it's whatever you want to do. But I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar in there, and my special ingredient of the day is cornstarch. A lot of people put cornmeal in their doughs, pizza doughs, but I use cornstarch because it counteracts the flour. So the flour has like hard proteins and makes the dough, you know, hard, and you know, but this cornstarch is gonna make everything fluffy, and it's gonna be the best crust in the world. So you wanna do half a cup of cornstarch. Half a table is a lot. Half a cup of cornstarch. Boom, toss that in out. Alright, now this is the fun part. This is the best part of cooking. You go get your hands dirty. Alright, now that you have a ball that you can, you know, handle, you want to cover it up for at least an hour. Get a towel or something. Get this. You cover it up for at least an hour, and come follow me, and you place it inside the fridge and you let it do what it gotta do for an hour. Alright, next thing we got on the list, we letting the dough rise, so we about to get to the sauce. Like I said, we're making everything from scratch. So what we need is onion, 2 garlic cloves for the sauce. So what we're gonna do is, get that out of the way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this onion, just chop.
Any onion, right?
You can do any onion. I'm using red onion. I'm gonna make the sauce in, and I'm gonna drop the onion in there. It's already on medium heat right now. We're gonna keep it on medium, and we're gonna bring it down to a simmer. But first, I forgot I gotta put some oil in this junk. Enough of this fine extra virgin olive oil, and just, you know, give it a fine mince. Good to drop in. You can already smell the onion. You can already smell the onion doing its thing.
And the garlic.
So now we're gonna put in some tomato paste.
That's a lot. A teaspoon?
I mean a tablespoon, my bad. Get a tablespoon of tomato paste. Some pepper flakes.
We did this a few weeks ago and it turned out
Yeah, we did.
So good. I'm not
some,
even like the biggest fan of
some crushed red pepper flakes. As much as you want.
If you like spice, yeah.
I got this 1 can of whole tomatoes. Now you want to drop it inside the bowl. Ooh, that's squirting everywhere. And my bad, camera. And just like the dough, you want to just get in there and crush everything up. My hands are clean, at least I think. Put it over into the bowl, and once it goes in, we want to turn it down real low to a simmer. Put that to a simmer, and just, now you don't want it to cook too fast because it's gonna start popping and locking and all that other stuff. Now you want to put that in, mix it up, get the tomatoes, the onions and the garlic that's already in there. You want to get it mixed up and ready to go. Let me give it a taste. And it tastes like absolutely what I thought it was gonna taste like. Just tomato paste. But this one we have to ingredient. So you want to season to your taste. This might look like a lot of salt.
So also you can get this like salted, but we got unsalted.
Yeah.
So you want to add more salt.
Yeah.
If you get it salted.
This is unsalted, so we add our own salt. So we're gonna go salt, a little garlic. This right here is all up to you. All up to you and taste. Some oregano, about a teaspoon of oregano. Boom. Some basil, about the same tablespoon or a little bit more. A little onion powder. Bless you. A little onion powder and a little bit more red pepper flakes. And what's this? A tablespoon of sugar. It's important to add sugar to,
Acidic.
Yeah, to tomatoes because it, counteracts the acidic taste from the tomatoes. And right now you want to mix that up. Ooh, my bad.
And you'll leave the recipe.
Yeah, the recipe be in the comments. And while y'all down, not in the comments, but down low. And while y'all down there, you might as well like and subscribe and pop, lock, and drop it. I do everything, I'm over here slaving like I shouldn't use slave. Over here cooking, working.
Ow!
Watch it. Oh yeah! So you're gonna let this go for about 25 to 30 minutes. Let the dough finish rising, and then
Bless you. He's gonna wash his hands.
I didn't even touch my hands. I sneezed over the shoulder, but I'll wash my hands. Because cleanliness is next to godliness. But yeah, we're gonna do that. Let this simmer, let this rise, and we'll be back. Let me go wash my hands. Alright, so it's been a good hour and 15, and let's check our dough.
Oh my god.
And it's pretty big right now. Remember how I looked earlier, but that's all risen. There we go. Somebody got made in the sun. So right now I just want a little spoon full of butter, just coat this joint. I'm using a cast iron skillet to do the cooking in because I don't have anything else that's round and deep. So, and this is what? I think it's 10 inches, 12 or something right there. About 2. You roll out the dough, take the dough, and we just put it inside the pot. Skillet. Just spread it. Cheese. So we use the 2 types of cheese, and we use the sliced cheese, which all deep dish pizza uses sliced cheese. Fun fact. I'm not a fan of shredded cheese like that. So we're using provolone, mozzarella, 2 types of cheese. Like I said, we got these from Myers. You can get from your local grocery store.
They're not from Myers.
I mean, not Meyer, Mariano's. Actually, we actually made this cheese from scratch. I told you everything is made from scratch. We made these cheese from scratch. We got some cows. We got some cows in the back. We made this cheese. Bring it over here. This sauce has been going for about 30-45 minutes. It's all simmered down. You can keep it on a low simmer, or you can just turn it off. Actually, the oven been going. We got the oven set for 400 degrees, so that's the temperature you want it to cook at. 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's kind of thick on this. Okay, now you just want to transfer this over into here. Whichever way you want to transfer it, do it this way. It's the pasta sauce that we've been making. Big piece of sauce, my bad. Same as pasta, shoot. If you got some extra, you can save it. Whatever you want with it. Put it in the oven until it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. A hot oven. Yep. Set it up in there. Put a line of reveal. Right here. Ooh. Probably let it in there a little bit too long, but it's all good. There we go. You gotta. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Now it's time for the transfer. Let's see if I can do this right. You want to get it under there. Uh-oh. That's the tough part. Get under there and just plop it down. Oh, had a little oopsie. That's okay. And this is the final product. Right. Pause? Huh? Pause? No. You just get a slice. Get in that. It's not as strong this time, but you know.
Yeah, last time it stuck more.
It's whatever. This is the deep dish pizza.
If you keep it in the pan, it'll.
Yeah. Might want to let it sit longer than 5 minutes, but go ahead, take a bite of this. A lot of people like
You're gonna need a
deep
fork.
dish with a fork.
I don't know.
Perfect. Sorry guys, but
It's
very
disgusting.
good. Yeah, it's not disgusting. And that's deep dish pizza for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. If y'all want to do the pizza a different way, you can add pineapples, sausage, any type of meat that you want. But I'm about to go ahead and finish this. So, you want a piece? Huh? Yeah? Okay. Well, see y'all later.